hiking in the Washington forest. Outside Leavenworth.
Outside Leavenworth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lake Wiki or something. Be on the lookout for animals.
Yeah. Well, just be on the lookout for little animals. Bless you. Bless you. Pretty. Well, we were looking for a lake and we found this really fast moving river. That's crazy. That'd be fun to tube down. Still hiking. Wonderful, see a bear. I'm not sure exactly what to do if I do see one. If it's brown, lay down. But what a grizzly? Are grizzly brown? Yeah, so you lay down. If I see a grizzly, I don't know if I'm going to be laying down. I guess I will, because that's what I have to do. But these are conversations I have with myself, far away from them, so they can't hear me. And here's a part of the river where it's quiet. It's weird how it gets quiet and then it gets really pretty fast, right around that boulder.
I think there's an island right there, so it's like making the water more voluminous over there.
Yeah, maybe. So it's pushing it in?
Yeah. Look at those logs, aren't they cool?
They didn't make it to the logging camp. They fell off.
Look at that. That could be a picture.
That could be, but
I did take one. Oh, thanks. I forgot that this was my phone. I don't really like your phone.
And we sprayed because we're getting a little bit more bugs, so now we're good. I forgot to mention last night. I don't think I took a video of it, but coyotes were howling. It sounded pretty cool. As we were, you know, right outside our room. That was cool to hear. I mean, that's just a dog, but that's what made me think of the coyotes.
You know that?
Uh-oh.
This is the start of the river.
Yeah.
That was cool. I don't know how calm it is, by the way.
Right. That is neat.
It's almost like a lake. I could be here all day. You can't.
hiking in a little different area right now. I saw a lizard. Didn't get it on video, obviously. We'll see if I get one. It's a good sized one too. You think we'll see Mom come back this way? But we're not walking in there. We don't have the shoes for it. Pretty out here though. Walking in downtown Leavenworth. Gonna have traditional German pizza. What's that?
We'll see about that.
Yeah. You think it's so crazy?
I think it's so crazy that the place we ended up staying last night started the whole Bavarian theme in this town, and it's weird because it's like so far from the town.
Mm-hmm.
But they were the first ones, and then like they influenced this dying town to start this, and then they got lost of tourists.
Yeah, they suckered us in.
Oh, pretty.
Is that mini golf or regular golf? Or in between? I think it's in between.
It doesn't look like regular golf.
But it's smaller. It's boring mini golf.
Real mini golf.
Yeah.
Real golf, but it's mini.
I think you just use putters though, so that's mini golf.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, I've never seen a mini golf like that before.
True. That's a good size one. Nice. I think they fried in oil. Yeah. Anyway, it's good. Wow, I'm assuming it's good. It looks good. Are you gonna try with cheese? I think you like it. I won't, but you might. What's this place called? Rudloff's. I didn't see that many shops. Was there a shopping area?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw some. Yeah.
Because we're hungry.
Yeah.
So I wanted to come straight here.
He's in his frog suit. And now the rest of this video is just going to be Super Mario Brothers Super Show.
Video of the Super Mario Brothers.
Oh yeah.
But it's crazy. We don't have a pin in Arlington Heights. They have too many over here though. So. There. Put it on that one. I just took them from these crowded areas right here. Oregon and Washington. About what?
What did you compare it to?
Houston. But like this way, I bet you 20 years from now I can mix up the pictures and I'll ask you and you'll be like, oh, that was good.
I'll look at the pavement and I'll know immediately.
What if I don't get the pavement?
Well, if you don't get the pavement, I still think I would get it. Yeah, we'll see. You can prove me wrong. This reminds me of that one castle we went to, the tour.
Oh, Ludwig or whatever?
Yeah, yeah,
Like Houston?
yeah. That was like our second night, right? That was a fun place to stay on top of the restaurant. Hotel Ludwig's. There's the backside of that hotel. It's peaceful kayaking. It's a nice little area. Alright, we're... Oh, there's a paraglide. Oh, what do you call those? What do you call those? What do you call those people? Those vehicles?
Paragliders?
That's what I said. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, we're back up from the river, back into the town. We're going to do one last walk around. Well, not one last. I mean, we're going to enjoy ourselves, but I think we're on the second half of our tour. Not that I'm rushing to get out of here, because I'm enjoying myself. So I just misspoke. We're at the Christmas store. We bought 2 magnets. One That's for Rothenberg and
The nightlight with the marshmallows isn't that bad. It's only 20.
yeah, this is cool.
I'm glad you guys came in here. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Reminds me a bit of the one on Pigeon Forge. We're at the back end of the touristy area. What's the better way to say tourist trap area? The old-timey area. There's a Starbucks. Making our way back. The Cryptus Cave. It's cute down here. Alright. We were looking at the gaming store. We were there a little too long. And it's not really German themed at all. It was all just board games and card games and such. But it really makes us miss going to Snakes and Lattes in Chicago. We have fun playing games together. But that has nothing to do with where we are. Oh, that's cool. Oh wait, there was a cold stone. Oh, we didn't go up, I don't think. Weird. Okay.
Oh wow.
Wait. 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 Go. Oh. Well, we can just wait and do the next time. Wait.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Wait.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Happy birthday.
Wait. Wait.
Okay, we are staying at room Wreath. At Wreath. There's no room number.
Oh,
The Wreath. Wreath, yeah. But anyway, this is our room for the night. We're in the basement of an Airbnb. Well, we're in an Airbnb. It's a basement. It's a pretty big place. Here's the living room area. Doing laundry right now. Got clothes going in the washer and the dryer. Almost done. Well, that's one load. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Here is the bathroom. Pretty good size. We can read about John Muir. In his own words, we can read about him. Oh, that's funny. They have poopery here. Alright. And they have a cat out there. He's an outdoor cat. He usually was hanging out by the
It was fun
fence.
watching him. When you
Yeah.
guys were doing the Nintendo Direct, these birds kept flying and it was like...
Gotcha. They were what?
And they had lots of snacks and they had Diet Pepsis in there and they said I could have anything I want.
Wow. So she's taking up on that. That's a TV, actually. There. And then upstairs is the rest of the house, which is theirs. And in here is the bedroom, and there's a blow-up bed that I think we're going to be using later. Well, I know we're going to be using later. And that's a tour of the house. I think we'll do a quick wrap-up right now, because we're calling it early night. It's 8 o'clock. We've been here for, what, an hour and a half now? Maybe 2 hours?
An hour and a half, yeah.
Yeah. But,
Weaver's has most of water.
wow. Lucky us.
They said that tap water is not your cup of tea.
Okay.
And speaking of cup of tea, I would already made myself some coffee in the French press. And the coffee is good. Cutter's Point, dark, hard, intense, chocolatey, rich.
You like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
And that's really cool, because over there,
There's a
we
waterfall.
have binoculars, but there's a really nice waterfall. The sun's actually hitting it right now.
You see that spot right there where
Yeah.
the trees are?
Mhm.
That's the
Look.
waterfall right there.
Yeah, I got you. I can kind of see it. That's cool.
Did you see the bathroom?
Yeah.
Did you see the bedroom?
Yes.
Did you see how big it is?
Yes.
And the laundry?
Yes.
It's so nice. And there's a book on the toilet about John Muir.
Yeah, I know, in his own words.
That's kind of cool.
Sure.
And they have games.
Yeah, they do. Okay, and we'll wrap it up here in a second. Alright, 2 loads of laundry done.
Almost all of our leftovers are eaten.
Almost all of our leftovers are eaten. Aaron and I got to watch the Nintendo Direct, which we always do together, so that was nice. Oh,
And I'm by North Bend, and I'm excited.
why are you excited?
Because I get to have a damn fine cup of coffee tomorrow.
Nice. And a slice of cherry pie? Does it have to be cherry?
Probably should.
Yeah.
We're in Washington.
Yeah.
They have good cherries.
Rainier cherries are from Washington, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's a town in Washington.
Did you know that?
And we're right next to Mount C, and I learned that that is the most western mountain in the Cascades, and we're like directly across the street from it.
Nice.
You can see the waterfall from it.
Yeah. I think I tried to show it.
Yeah, isn't that nuts?
Yeah. Alright, good day. We spent the morning, we went hiking, and we went to Leavenworth. So, yeah, it was good. It was fun.
And I really like this Airbnb, it's very nice and big.
So tomorrow we're going to do some sightseeing for the Twin Peaks area.
Is Aaron gonna talk?
Was it a good day?
It wasn't a good day?
No, I said it was a good day.
Oh, okay, good.
And we finally ate pizza.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we really haven't had pizza this trip. Well, Aaron did the first night, but it wasn't a pizza place. We just had pizza there. And yeah, tomorrow we make it actually to... Are we going to be in Seattle tomorrow?
Yeah.
So, busy day tomorrow. We're going to be in
Well, maybe we won't be in Seattle. It just depends.
Yeah.
Because if Aaron does just doesn't help, whatever. The
Yeah.
video doesn't need to know this.
Yeah, depending on what
Hopefully
goes
we
on.
will.
Yeah, hopefully we will. So, yeah. Anything else to add?
Well, we'll be at Bainbridge Island for sure.
Yeah.
Which is across the Puget Sound from Seattle.
That's exciting.
And we can take the ferry to the Seattle.
To the
I was
Seattle.
just about to say the same thing. Alright, so we're going to be taking the ferry
It
to
was
the
weird
Seattle.
though because one way it's like free, I guess, and
Yeah.
the other way costs money.
Right.
Strange. Whatever.
I agree. Whatever.
And today I don't even know if we said it on the video, but we bought a Washington State Park pass
Yeah, we didn't say that.
for $35, and it's good for the entire year.
Yeah. So, but we're only gonna use it for like a week and a half.
Yeah, but now if we see a state park, we can always just pop our heads in for a half hour or an hour.
Yeah, right.
And
Yeah.
be like, ooh, oh,
Yeah,
it's free.
And we're giving
Well,
money to
food.
the Parks Department.
Oh yeah, exactly.
I'll never feel bad about doing that. Alright, so I guess that's it. Do you have anything to add, bud?
Sorry, not really.
No. Alright, well, with all that being said...
I'm excited that we got here early.
Yeah, it was nice to have a relaxing evening. That is nice. And it's still relatively early. It's like 9.
Yeah, exactly 9.
So I'm good.
9:04 actually.
I might actually be in bed before midnight.
Yeah, I doubt that. But we'll see.
I'm
Maybe.
gonna try.
Yeah, we're gonna try. Well, wish us luck. Here, press the button to get us in bed before midnight.